India has reported its biggest single-day jump in the number of coronavirus cases. Over the last 24 hours, India has recorded close to 4,000 confirmed cases, taking the total to over 46,000 cases. The surge is concerning as India has just begun to ease the lockdown restrictions. Over the last 1 week, the daily number of new cases in India has been on a steep rise. But today's surge is unprecedented, close to 4,000 cases, the highest single-day rise since the first case was detected on the 30th of January. It took India 75 days to record its first 10,000 cases. That was between the 30th of January and the 14th of April. 75 days, 10,000 cases. Look at the trajectory and then look at the jump. India took 8 days to breach the 20,000 mark. So the first 10,000 cases took 75 days, the second 10,000 cases took 8 days, the third 10,000 cases took 7 days, and the fourth just 4 days. The rise from 30,000 to 40,000 took just 4 days. That is how fast it's growing in India. But the Health Ministry remains optimistic. It says the number of cases in India is doubling once every 12 days. Before the lockdown, the cases were doubling every 3 days. This is from the ministry. In terms of the death toll, India has reported 194 deaths in the last 24 hours. That's the first time India has recorded over 100 deaths in a single day. The total now stands at 1,583. On the plus side, over 13,000 people have been cured or discharged. The government says India's recovery rate stands at 27.4%, which is an improvement. Earlier it was 25%. India's testing rate has improved too. Over the last 24 hours, India conducted more than 80,000 tests, 80,000. That's 7% of all the testing done in India. The total is more than 1 million. And the Indian Council of Medical Research says India could very soon be testing 100,000 people every day. So the results are mixed. The lockdown has been extended by 2 more weeks. Containment zones remain sealed. Some relaxations have been allowed in other areas. 62 trains have transported around 70,000 migrant workers who could be potential carriers of this deadly virus to rural India. Experts are concerned. And these images don't help. Long queues outside liquor shops, social distancing norms violated. India's lockdown may have helped slow the spread, but the curve is not yet showing a downward trend. The challenge very much remains.